In this video, we'll talk you through some recent improvements to SRP's website and data model. There are 5 key changes to cover: faster searching capabilities, new product card design, updates to product model, enhanced analysis reports, and the addition of a new professional investor category and non-public markets. One of the major improvements you'll notice right away is the technology behind the SRP database. This has been upgraded to allow for a much faster search and overall website experience. As you'll see on the screen in front of you, we are showing a product card. You'll notice right away that the layout is different and how the product information is displayed. You'll see the design has changed and now includes a navigation menu on the left-hand side to quickly access each of the product identifiers and characteristics. The product search section now includes additional product properties such as payoff style, direction of trade, allowing for more granular search results. We've also updated some category names and terminologies. For example, payoffs are now called payoff type. Knockouts is now called autocallables. For a full list of these changes, please check the data model guide. Another naming change you'll see is the market category. This has been renamed from database to market and includes a list of all of the markets you are subscribed to. The investment type has also been renamed to class. The class categorization has also been updated to include flow and not flow products. Leverage products can now be found in flow. However, the not flow products will remain the same as before. Another change is on the analysis section. Something we have added is individual component view. In this example, we have selected an all markets underlying standard report from 2018 to 2020. By clicking generate, this will return a list of underlying sorted by product issuance. For example, you can see one of the results is a basket. This includes Euro stocks, KOSPI and the S&P and displays the product issuance of this basket. To identify the product issuance of any one of these basket components, select the individual component view and click generate. This will return a list of underlying sorted by each individual component where you can see the product issuance for each individual underlying asset. Please note, the individual component view is only available on a select number of reports, including underlying, payoff type and repo reports. Another new analysis feature is payoff type filter, which can be found in the payoff type report and allows you to select different types of payoffs per product. For example, by clearing the current selection, selecting single and generate, the report will return all of the products with a single payoff type associated with that product. As you can see, in the report, you see the single autocall barrier reverse convertible, single autocall, barrier reverse convertibles, and so on. You also have the option to view this report using the individual component view. Selecting that and generate, we can see here it is the same report, however it's split by individual component view. So we have just singles now, barrier reverse convertible, autocalls, digitals, and so on. One final additional feature we have added is the professional investor and non-public market. A new market has been added called non-public. This will include any products with an unknown jurisdiction. A new professional investor category has been added, which includes a combination of products from private banking, institutional, and offshore product categories. This can be assessed by the product search menu and within the category drop-down menu in the analysis report section. It's worth noting that the number of professional investor products available to view will depend on your market subscription. For example, if you have a European market subscription, you will be able to view and see European professional investor products. If you subscribe to the professional investor category, then you will have access to the professional products across all markets. This includes institutional products, private products, and offshore products in their respective markets where they are located. One of the first things you'll notice is in the top left-hand corner. We have added an extra filter result called Exclude Flow Products. This will be ticked by default along with live products. So when you come to the page, automatically live and Exclude Flow Products will be ticked by default. We have also introduced a new filtering option called ESG. You can find this in the product card under Key Features down the navigation side on the left-hand side. This particular product is ESG yes, and if it is not ESG, it will be no. Another filtering option available is called Underlying Provider. On the navigation menu on the left-hand side, this is under Underlying Details. In the product we're looking at, the underlying provider is S&P Dow Jones and FTSE International. The corresponding underlyings are S&P 500 and the Russell 2000. This can be found again on the navigation menu on the left-hand side under Underlying Details. In order to add more granularity to the payoff details, we have split the payoff type into more data points. Payoff type is displaying the core payoff of this product. Payoff style is adding more detail to the payoff type. In this product, you can see the payoff type is auto-call. Payoff style is a knock-in worst of option. Going back to the product search page, we can see by default we have our Exclude Flow products, so our class is just not flow. Our payoff type is auto-call, and our payoff style is a worst of. Filtering the results, we can see we have all of the products with this payoff type, the class, and also the payoff style. We hope you find these new features to be useful. If you have any questions, check our data model guide for further details or feel free to contact us.